We use them every day, we use them for everything, but how many of us stop to think about how amazing mobile phones really are? These small devices contain the world's knowledge, allow us to talk to anyone, and even let us take pictures and videos. Mobile phones have revolutionized communication and connectivity. They've changed the way we live, work, and play. But have you ever wondered how these marvels of technology are made? How do all those tiny components come together to create such a powerful tool? Buckle up, science fans, because we're about to take a fascinating journey into the world of mobile phone manufacturing. We'll explore the inner workings of these incredible devices and discover the journey from raw materials to the sleek gadgets we hold in our hands. Get ready to be amazed by the technology that fits in your pocket. Let's start by looking inside a mobile phone. Don't worry, we don't need a screwdriver, just our curiosity. At the heart of every smartphone is the processor, the brain that runs all the apps and functions. It's a tiny chip that performs billions of calculations per second. Next, we have memory and storage. Think of this as the phone's memory. RAM, or random access memory, allows the phone to multitask, while storage holds all your apps, photos, and music. The bigger the storage, the more data your phone can hold. Now let's talk about the display. This is the window to your phone's world, showcasing everything from text messages to high-definition videos. Most smartphones use LCD or OLED screens, each offering vibrant colors and sharp images. And of course, no phone would be complete without a battery. This powerhouse provides the energy needed to keep your phone running. Battery technology is constantly evolving, with advancements in capacity and charging speeds. Don't forget the camera. From simple snapshots to professional quality photos and videos, smartphone cameras have come a long way. Multiple lenses, high megapixels, and advanced software work together to capture stunning images. And finally, we have sensors. These tiny components allow your phone to interact with the world around it. Accelerometers detect motion, proximity sensors know when you're on a call, and ambient light sensors adjust screen brightness. All these components are interconnected on a printed circuit board called the motherboard. It's the nervous system of the phone, ensuring all the parts work together seamlessly. Now that we know what's inside, let's see how a mobile phone is made. It all starts with raw materials. Metals like gold, silver, and copper are essential for electrical conductivity. Plastic and glass form the casing and display. Even rare earth elements are used in small quantities for specific components. These raw materials are then refined and processed into the various components we discussed earlier. Specialized factories manufacture processors, memory chips, displays, cameras, and batteries. It's a global effort, with different companies specializing in different components. Once the components are ready, the assembly process begins. This usually happens in large factories, with highly automated assembly lines. Robots and skilled technicians work together to place each component precisely on the motherboard. The phone's casing is then attached, and the software is installed. Finally, each phone undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality control. Only phones that meet the highest standards are packaged and shipped to consumers. The entire process, from raw materials to a finished product, is a testament to human ingenuity and global collaboration. It's a complex and fascinating journey that culminates in the creation of a device that has become an indispensable part of our lives. Section 4. The future is calling. Innovations on the horizon. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and mobile phones are at the forefront of innovation. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop new features and capabilities that will shape the future of smartphones. Imagine a phone with a transparent display, allowing you to see through the screen. Or how about a flexible phone that bends and folds to fit in your pocket? These futuristic concepts are closer to reality than you might think. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another game changer. AI-powered features are already enhancing our smartphone experience, from voice assistants to predictive text. In the future, AI could personalize our phones even further, anticipating our needs and providing tailored experiences. Sustainability is also a major focus. Manufacturers are exploring eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes to reduce the environmental impact of mobile phone production. Imagine a phone made entirely from recycled materials. And if that's not mind-blowing enough, how about holographic displays? Imagine watching three-dimensional videos or interacting with virtual objects that appear to float in mid-air. While still in the early stages of development, holographic technology has the potential to revolutionize mobile phone displays. Section 5. The impact and evolution of mobile technology. From the first clunky cell phones to the sleek, powerful smartphones of today, mobile technology has come a long way in a relatively short amount of time. These devices have transformed the way we communicate, access information, and navigate the world around us. Remember when we used to rely on phone booths and payphones? Now we can make video calls from anywhere in the world with just a few taps on our smartphones. We can access the internet, send emails, and connect with people on social media, all while on the go. Mobile phones have also become essential tools for education, healthcare, and business. Students use them for research and learning, doctors use them to monitor patients remotely, and entrepreneurs use them to manage their businesses from anywhere. The impact of mobile technology on our lives is undeniable. It has connected us in ways we never thought possible, empowered us with knowledge and information, and made our lives more convenient and efficient. Section 6. Keep exploring the world of technology. As we've seen, the world of mobile phone technology is full of wonder and innovation. From the tiny components that power these devices to the complex manufacturing processes that bring them to life, there's so much to learn and explore. The next time you pick up your smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology at your fingertips. Think about the journey it took to get there and the brilliant minds that made it possible. And most importantly, never stop asking questions and exploring the world around you. Who knows what amazing technological advancements the future holds. Maybe one day you'll be the one designing the next generation of smartphones. Remember, science is everywhere, even in your pocket. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning.